Huglets, it's Miwako. Welcome back to my channel. I hope I have a short video for today. So I have two items from two indie shops. None of these items have been sponsored. I bought all of this with my own money. So for today's video I have two items. One of them is a Pinafore from Chamber of Pastel. I got the little twin stars one in size large and X large. I'm going to leave my measurements in the description box. And I also got the bunny backpack from Miss Candyholic. This is my first ever purchase from these two shops. So the first one that I'm going to unbox is the backpack because I'm going to style the Pinafore. So I haven't opened it. I did open the dress, but I haven't opened the backpack. So it came in a pink bag like this. So let's take a look. It looks so soft. It is a bit heavy, but the fabric is very cute, and I think the bag is more bigger than I expected. So this is the business card. So this backpack was more expensive than the Pinafore. Yeah, I really there was another thing that I wanted to get. It is the like the bunny kind of sweater, but I live in Florida, so I don't know if it's wise if I keep buying like long sleeve fussy tops. Wow, this is bigger than I expected and it feels so good. It's very cute. It looks so nicely made. So soft. So I got this because they said that they did not have, like, the fabric was like limited, so they were not like gonna make this like forever. So that's why I got it. And I really like this golden metal that they use. Looks so good with pastel colors. I thought that the backpack was gonna be a little bit more like firm. My stuff are gonna be like a little bit of a mess in there, but yeah, it's very cute. Everything seems to be like very nicely like sewn. Everything seems to be like aligned. If you can see over here, it opens up. Okay, so it opens up with another golden metal. This is how it looks inside. It has a zipper. Ooh, this is kind of cute. Like on the inside they reuse the same fabric as the outside, which is very nice. It is very deep. It is very deep. And on the inside there's the tag. It feels like linen, pink linen on the inside. Oh, and I forgot to mention, but you close the bag with this ribbon and with this plastic thing that I don't know how you call that, but yeah, that's how it looks. Really love all the colors that they use. There are no other like pockets or anything like that. I think this is going to look very cute with my course. I feel like this is going to look very nice with anyone that wears kawaii fashion in general, but you know, I like to wear my pastel modi cords, so hopefully this will look good. I also like that you can adjust a lot the length of the straps. I really like it. Now the Pinafore. So the Pinafore arrived in here on this organza kind of bag. There's something that I have to like negative that I have to say about the Pinafore, but I guess it's more of my issue, but it will be nice if they could implement it. So look at this Pinafore. Look at that. It's very pastel. The fabric is very thin. I don't know how do you call this fabric because it's not cotton, but it's very lightweight. It has two big pockets on the front, and on the back it has elastic. Here are the straps. you can adjust it like twice. And this is the tag with the size large. And I really like how they sew this because it is also like very professionally made. I don't see anything weird. Everything has like double layers, and even at the bottom of the skirt it has a double layer, and they sew everything and they iron everything, and they also use the, I forgot, serger machine, I think that's the name, the one that cuts the ends of the fabric. Oh, and they also sew this very professional. Let me see if I can find it. They sew it very professional. I took like sewing classes like with, you know, fashion designers. They did this in a professional way, so I really like it. My only complaint with this Pinafore is that I guess it's because I'm 5'1", but the straps are still too long for me, so I need to make another hole a little bit higher so it doesn't look so big, because the whole the whole front part like looks so huge on me. Or I will have to pull the whole skirt, which looks a little bit weird. Yeah, I look like very square. They have other like Sanrio designs, but I thought that this one looked like very soft, and I think that I can pull off a little bit of kawaii and morike style. You know, my style that I tend to like morph most of the time. And I think that the price for this, I mean, it is custom, it is like size inclusive, and it's very nicely made. This took several months to arrive, maybe like 4 months or something like that, so you have to wait a little bit. But other than that, I feel like it was really worth it. These two items are from indie shops, so you are still supporting a small business and you have something unique. So yeah, I really like it. So I'm going to style this Pinafore and I'll come back in a moment. So this is how the Pinafore looks. I have to pull it a little bit down because these straps are too long on me, as you can see. So I would like to add the bottoms so it can fit a little bit better. But yeah, it fits me very comfortable. I think that I choose the right size because I don't want it like too tight if I'm going to be wearing something like a t-shirt or something like that, like a sweater. I also feel like the length is also very good. So yeah, this is how it looks. So here is the Pinafore. Just like I said, the sleeves are a little bit too long for me, so I need to adjust that. But other than that, I think that I can pull off some cute, like cozy but cutesy outfits. My phone kind of died, so I cannot take any more pictures, but once I do, I'm going to start like doing more like looks with this Pinafore, and also wearing my cute nude bunny backpack. So yeah, this is everything for today's video. I hope you like it. Which one of these items was your favorite? I'm going to be leaving the links of the shops in the description box in case you are interested. So thank you again, my little hoglets. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.